Okay, so I'm in my workshop and I just want to talk a little bit about cut-off saws or disc cutters, grinders, whatever you like to call them, and mini grinders as well. So many of you probably see on Instagram and I think on YouTube as well, on a couple of the jobs I'm doing, I'm using this machine here. Absolutely brilliant. It was, when I bought it, about £880 with 2 batteries and a charger, and it was superb. I found it impossible though to register this online. It just was so complicated to do it, so I never managed to get that. Now that's obviously a fault of mine, but when the fault happened on this, I tried to contact DeWalt for about 2 months, emails, never got any answers. So in the end, I thought 800 quid's worth here, nearly £900 worth, and I can't use it. So we took it to a supplier of ours who we hire lots of tools and things from. They got mechanics. They said they would have a look for it. Now, this is no reflection on DeWalt, but this is how it was returned to me. So I could not contact DeWalt at all, and in my desperation, I just had to get someone to look at it. So again, no reflection on DeWalt on that, but I then, because I was trying to change over from the Hitachi that I had to go to DeWalt, so I bought a mini grinder, and exactly the same thing happened there. Couldn't register it, and when I contacted, I actually managed to get through during a little kind of an email I was putting together online. A telephone number came up on the DeWalt site. I messaged them and they said, I got a reply on WhatsApp, said, I don't know how you got my number, I've got nothing to do with DeWalt. So in the end, I just thought, I've had enough. So I went back to green. So all I want to point out here is, this is Hitachi. I bought this at a, a tool fair, probably about just over 6 years ago. And obviously it's a bit messy because I'm a bricklayer, so we use sort of like dust and mortar and everything, so it doesn't look as clean as what a carpenter's one would be. But this is, like I said, over 6 years old, still brilliant. And that battery, I've now blacked it out. That's a Hitachi one, and again, that's 6 years old, and it's still going. I blacked it out because it's one of my original ones. I didn't want to get that mixed up with the new batteries that I have, which obviously Hikoki. And I've just got to talk about this grinder. This is the best grinder you could ever have. The control on it is there. Look at this. Just with your thumb. That is superb. With the other ones with a button on it, that one I had there had a button on here, and that it really sticks sometimes, and sometimes you have to use 2 hands to hold this and flick the switch off. This though is superb. And again, all cutters will cut very, very similar. I know you get some that have got a bit of a slow speed on them. This one, if you're cutting through, you can change the mode on it, and if you're cutting through anything that's really hard, it will speed up, and then as soon as it starts to get through and get a bit softer, it will slow down as well. So it's really, I absolutely love this. But my favourite thing is that. Just that simple action like that. Flick it up, stick it in. It is brilliant. Best cutter I've ever used, and I'm going to say that the customer care with these people is very, very quick response. and you do get really good service. So the old Hitachi, the new Hikoki, massive thumbs up. The yellow, I'm afraid, I've never even spoke to anyone from them. Massive thumbs down.